office. And then there will be 2 massage rooms. And this whole area is a lounge area. And inside here is the child minding area.
With the door, what does it look like? Cloud with warnings and reminders. It's a robbery,
This is the back door to the main yoga room.
whether it's an escape, a renovation, or the piece of deck and cellar.
This is the mat cleaning area. This is the area where people will come out when they're finished the yoga. Back here is the second studio. There's this. So everybody's going to come out over here, drop off their mat. And this is the bathroom. So to the right is the women's bathroom. And that goes all the way around the back there. There's 12 showers in the back. This side is the men's bathroom. Come back up here. Come back to the main lounge area. The hallway down to the staff room. Where the washer and dryers will be.